Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely fantastic day. I'm doing pretty alright myself. Today I'm very excited because I have a brand new box for the channel. Well actually the box itself isn't like brand new, like it didn't just come out, at least I don't think it did. But it is brand new to the channel. I have never unboxed this box right here on my lap in front of me. But before on this channel, so I am super duper excited. This box that I have right here though is the most expensive box that I have ever purchased for this channel, but all the items inside of it are supposed to be like ethically made and things like that, so it's kind of like going towards a good cause, which is why it is called the CauseBox. So this is the box right here, and this is the summer box. There are 4 boxes every single year, so they come seasonally. This box is a bit on the pricey side. It is $49.95 if you order for like an entire year, but if you pay quarterly, it is $54.99, which is what I had done. So this box right here cost me $55, but they promise inside that you'll receive $150 or more in value, and everything is like ethically made and things like that, so that is nice. And there's free shipping too. I could always go for some free shipping. But I am super duper excited to get in here. For some reason, I think everything's gonna be just like a little on the fancy side. I don't know if it's because of like the price I paid for the box or what, but I'm like, maybe this box is just too fancy for me. But we together right here, right now, are about to find out. So let me go ahead and box cut on into this. Alrighty, so I do like the outside of the box. It's very like fun and summery look. Oh my goodness. I must be an actual genius. Alright, at first I thought it was just like fun colors and oranges and blues to replicate summer, but it's like actually like, you know, here's the water and here's like the land and here's the sun, and I guess these little dots are birds. I have no idea how this has been sitting on my counter for like 2 weeks and I didn't realize that that was like a landscape scene. Oh, and there's also like a little lady inside the box. Alrighty, so on top here I have received like a little magazine, and it says Good News Summer Edition 2018. Oh, okay, I don't want to go through this too fully because I think there are spoilers inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull off little paper here. Oh, okay, you guys, right off the bat I'm seeing some very cute looking things. I'm very excited. The first thing on the top here is this. I am loving this color scheme. We have like a cream with black lines and a cute little pink tassel. I'm guessing this is some type of tote or purse. Whoa. It got much bigger than I thought it would. Oh, look at that. We got some horizontal lines, we got some vertical lines, you can switch her up. Alright, so I just opened it up really quickly, and inside it says Tribe Alive, ethically made in India. So it just has a little sticker there that does say it is ethically made. It's kind of like a canvasy feeling material, but it is super duper cute, and inside I'm also seeing a little chain that goes with it, so you can actually turn it into like a purse, or I guess, you know, you could carry it like a clutch, or it could be a makeup bag. I think there are a lot of options with this. I also really like that the chain that came with it is gold, because I definitely prefer gold over silver. So this is super duper adorable. I really like this. I feel like I'm gonna get it messy immediately because it is white, and I tend to stay away from anything that's white because I'm a wreck. But I love like the heft of the gold chain. It feels really nice. Standing in the chair is never a good idea. I need to figure out a better way to model things. But here is the purse. It hangs about here on the hip, so it is pretty long if you want to wear it for a crossbody, but I think it's adorable. So one item down, and I'm already pretty happy with it. Next up here we have an entire little pack. What on earth is a pack of face masks. These are from Karuna. These are antioxidant face masks. They are made of natural fiber sheets. They have green tea to promote healthy looking skin. They're paraben free, dye free, mineral oil free, and dermatologist tested. And they say that there are 4 in here, and that is a 1-month supply. So this is what the little mask itself looks like. Cute little packaging. I like the blue and the purple and the gold all together, but I definitely will give these a try. Is it just motorcycle day or something? And I like that they gave like a full month supply. It feels a little bit more valuable this way than maybe just like a single sheet mask or a couple thrown in there. So I like this. Next up here we have something from Zoya. Ooh, oh wow, okay. So there are actually 3 different nail polishes in here. That's really nice. I do not know much about this brand Zoya because I don't know much about nail polish, but I think the colors are really pretty. I'm not sure if these are like a very valuable brand or anything, but you get 3 of them, which is really nice. So there is a really pretty coral down here, which is very nice, and then we have this kind of like beigey nudish looking one. I'm rubbing these like very strangely. And then there is a white here on the end. I really quickly went ahead and just slapped a coat on both of these. Excuse my fingernail painting style. It is horrendous and I know that. But I think the nail polishes are actually pretty opaque for just one coat. This coral one here like turned out really nicely. These two could probably use another coat or two, but for being so light, I think they did a very good job. So yeah, I'm actually pretty happy with this little set of nail polishes. Maybe it will entice me to actually paint my nails. Okie dokie guys, and next up here I have a bottle and it looks really cool. Look at that, that is a fancy bottle. So it's like this really pretty pale pink. It is metal. What's happening? Oh, look at that. Oh, I have never I have never seen a cap on a bottle like this before. So like yeah. So you close it by like sliding this down onto it. Does that give a full like closure? I've never been so like mystified by a bottle before, but this is really cool. So this is Pure with a Pop. This is from D-Still and it says, together with water.org, D-Still has already helped transform 400 lives with access to safe water and sanitation. With your purchase, you can help transform even more. Oh, that's really cool. So I think that is absolutely awesome that they are doing stuff for clean water and sanitization. I think that's incredible, and this is one of the coolest looking bottles I've ever seen. So it's like easy to carry, but the lids, it's just interesting. It's just very interesting. Oh, this thing here is a hair tie. Very nice. They also say that this part comes off here for like easy cleaning, plus you can actually put like full hunks of ice and things in there, which I like. So this is a very nice bottle. I'm pretty excited about this. If I ever start exercising again, this might come in handy. Alrighty guys, we are still going. There's still stuff in here. So next up I have something that sounds like Tic Tacs. I do like this drawstring bag. It's like in this very pretty pink velour. Ooh, we have a necklace here. Whenever my fingernails are painted, I feel like I have to be so much more delicate with things. Why do I think it's so cute that the tassels have their own individual little baggies? I think that's adorable. Oh, okay. I was like, did I break it? This is actually one of those necklaces that you can wear like wrapped around like this. So you could wear it kind of like shorter if you wanted to, where the tassels are down here, or you could like have a little bit of a choker going on with like a longer necklace. And these two little dangly bits just dangle down in front of you. I personally am not much of a jewelry person, but I do like this. It is simple enough for me to maybe pull off. Ooh, I think I like it like this best actually. I kind of like looped one inside the other, so now it's just like a single little strand here, but you still have the two other necklace strands. Sorry about my creaky old chair. It's been through a lot. I am not too much of a jewelry person. I'm sure you guys have noticed that on YouTube. I pretty much just wear this ring every day and then nothing else really. But I do definitely think this necklace is cute. I really like it this way with the one little strand in the center and then like a choker kind of. So I actually like this. I approve. I think it's really cute and I love that it's gold. There is still more in this box. Next up here, I think this is just, oh, it's just a little postcard of that one girl that's on the inside of the box. I think this is pretty cute. I like the imagery. She looks real 60s to me. So this is cute, but there are still more things in here. I'm gonna go for what's wrapped up next in this paper. Ooh, okay you guys. So this is actually from L'Occitane in Provence, and I'm sure I've said absolutely none of that correctly, but this is the oh no. This is shower oil. And I know that this L'Occitane brand is pretty expensive. I think there's an entire like store of this in the mall in the big city. I have never tried a cleansing shower oil before, but I'm looking forward to it. Alrighty guys, there is one last thing left in this box, or is there? Oh, I also found some papery things in here, just some little advertisements and stuff for the companies that were inside the box. But there is one very last thing in here, which I'm really excited about. This is a Turkish towel. I was reading the tag of this and it says 100% GOTS, but I thought it said 100% goats. I was like, what do you mean it's 100% goats? It is, however, not goats. It is certified organic cotton and it is also made in Turkey from Fair Seas Supply Co. Ooh, okay, I actually think this is really pretty. I like the yellow and the cream together and the little tassels on the end. I think that's very cute. At first, I thought it was one of those like round towels that you see all over Instagram, but it is not. It is, however, gigantic. So I mean, if you don't think that you're going to like the beach anytime soon, you could use this for all sorts of different things. This could be like a tablecloth, or it could be a very stylish large scarf. I definitely think this is pretty cute. It is a little bit on the rougher side, I'm guessing because it is like 100% natural cotton, but I think it's adorable. There's a bit of a smell to it, but that's okay. Alrighty, and I guess that concludes everything. That was everything in my CauseBox for this season, which is summer. And I'm honestly pretty happy. I was like, I feel like things are gonna be just fancy, just too fancy for me in here. But I ended up liking a lot of the stuff. I think this little bag here is absolutely adorable and probably my favorite thing in the entire box. But I also really like this towel and the water bottle and the necklace. The necklace I ended up liking a lot more than I thought I would. Everything is just really cute and nice feeling, and I love that everything's like ethically made. That just makes it much, much better. So overall, I do really like it. I wish it wasn't so expensive, but I understand paying a little bit more for things that are like organic and ethically made and things like that. I want to say that I want to go ahead and like subscribe for a year so I can get the boxes for $50 instead of $55. But I don't know if I exactly have that much money right now to subscribe to a box like this. But I'm already pretty excited for next season's box, and I have no idea what's in it. Anyway, let me know what you guys thought about this box down below in the comments. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions. And that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!